And you can see how that air whip gets inside of that system and knocks everything around, and the second that it hits that debris or knocks any of those particles loose, the vacuum just takes it straight out and out to our truck. So you can see we're using a vacuum pump system like the one we use is incredibly effective.